Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to create Microsoft Forms for feedback. First, go ahead and log into your Microsoft Forms account. Once inside, go ahead and select on Template Gallery. And for here, you will see different templates for feedback and evaluation surveys like a post-event feedback or a teacher feedback. Just go ahead and select one. Now, you will have a pre-filled questionnaire that you can use for feedbacks. Then in here, you can go ahead and fully customize it on your own. Now, you can go at the top and here, you can change its header or the title and add a new one so that it will be able to go according to what kind of feedback you want. Now you can also add a description for it. After that, you can now edit the questions that it has. You can go ahead and type in a new one. And you can also click on this edit button so that you will be able to add in a new image according to what you want. And for example here, you can go ahead and change the levels of the ratings according to your liking. And now you can go through the questions so that you will be able to edit them according to your situation. Now, if you'd like a new question, just go and add a new one and choose from these choices so that you will be able to include another one. You can also add a section if you'd like to. But that's just basically it. That's how you create forms for feedback. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.